being a data transformation company, our ethos of like how we bring data together was really aligned with what Pigment is doing. And we felt like there was the opportunity for the most kind of powerful product partnership. DBT Labs is a database transformation company based out of the Bay Area. We're a little over 300 people today, and we've been growing really rapidly for the last couple of years. We're a fully remote team, so we have team members all over the world, but we're largely based in the US. The mission of the finance and strategy team at DBT Labs really is to help the business grow as intelligently as it can. We cover everything from the budgeting and revenue planning for the organization to working with individual executives to help them optimize their team structure and build for the long term. I was our first financial planning hire. We were doing everything on Google Sheets, and the difficulty in managing data flow, it fell out of being current or accurate really quickly. It was really manual. And it ultimately, with the pace of growth the team was experiencing, it wasn't going to scale for our basic financial planning needs, let alone giving us the insight that we needed to grow as intelligently as we want to. I've done several EPM implementations over the last kind of decade of work, and every time we've had a solution that wasn't nimble enough to meet the business needs. We ran into space issues of there's data that we know is there, but we're not able to analyze the data quickly in the tool, and we still ended up doing a lot of work in Excel. And that's what kind of caused us to look across the board at all the tools available. And being a data transformation company, our ethos of like how we bring data together was really aligned with what Pigment is doing. And we felt like there was the opportunity for the most kind of powerful product partnership there. Before we had Pigment, even just updating the Google Sheets took days of team members' time to know how we were progressing against our plan. Now we have kind of seamless and automated data flow, particularly around our workforce planning, so we can actually see how teams are tracking and check in with them before the end of the quarter to help them hit their goals versus wait until the end and find out sort of near the finish line. Even in normal economic times, our job is scenario planning. In times of elevated uncertainty, you're super scenario planning. And so the ability to take a baseline and play through multiple different scenarios and get back to your executive team quickly with how that might impact their teams and the business as a whole is more important than ever. And it's an exciting time to be in finance because the value that we offer to the organizations is that much more important and interesting. Drilled a transaction and published to all boards. We're still in a very rapid pace of development on Pigment, and so the ability to release to multiple dashboards and users at once and have really seamless kind of rollout protocol has been wonderful. Nimble, powerful, pretty.